PsycBooks is a database devoted to chapters in books. In the field of psychology, there are a lot of books published as collections of chapters around a specific theme or idea, and this reveals those kinds of chapters. In this case, we're looking at cognitive therapy and anxiety, and you notice we've got 223 results, not too bad, but that's still quite a few, so let's see if we can narrow it down a bit. On the left side, you will find filters that enable you to narrow. You can pretty much ignore the first ones here, but there are some other options here where you can look at a specific publication, find all the chapters in that publication. But the most important one here is subject major heading. What that does is to enable you to use a subject heading or two to narrow the focus down to chapters that are specifically on this subject connection. In this case, cognitive behavior therapy and anxiety disorders. And that will produce fewer results, but they should be more relevant. And then we need to click on apply, which actually makes that applicable. And we've got 148 total results. Well, what do we do with these? We can access the full text underneath each citation. There's a link there, etc. And so pretty easy to open and download the specific chapter that you're looking for. The other thing that you're probably most interested in is being able to cite these chapters. Citing chapters in APA format is really a problem, and it's kind of complicated. And so if the database will do that for you, all the better. If you want to cite a particular chapter, click on the Tools link here. There's 3 dots, and click on Cite. And set it for APA citation, which is the one for psychology, and there will be your citation. And you can copy that to a clipboard and then paste it into a document. What if you want to cite several of these chapters at once? You found several that you're really interested in here. So let's go with 3 of them. Up at the top, there's another Cite button. This one will cover the ones that you checked off. So in this case, we've got APA set up. We've only got one citation listed, but it says plus 2 more. And if we copy all of those 3 to clipboard, we can paste those into a document. So a handy tool that will reveal things that are often difficult to find, specific chapters in books. And those chapters can be seen as pretty much equivalent to journal articles in most cases. Thank you.